Yeah, I saw you watch a video for you where you said you can make a YouTube channel and upload video that someone already put up.
Yeah. So, all right. So what that is basically it's not that simple, right? Because again, whatever requires the least amount of effort and is the easiest to do, it means that anybody can do it, which basically means, hey, Tommy, anyone can do it. There's more competition. So the question is, Tommy, how do I start a faceless YouTube channel where I just re-upload other people's videos? Now, very simple. The lazy way is you grab a YouTube link for a channel, you download the video. If it's in Creative Commons, which basically means, hey, this video, I have permission to actually use it without having to worry about it. Make sense? So
Yeah.
you download it and you upload it to the channel. You can build a channel based on different genres. So I grab tech videos or X type of videos or whatever it is. But the problem with it is basically that, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah. But the problem is that that method, the video's already up there, right? Somebody already made that video. People already watched it. So the likelihood that you're actually gonna get popular from it is very low. Now, a creative way to do it is basically you grab those videos, you download a free video editor from YouTube or from Google, and then you edit that video again. You add a little voiceover over it, and you try to create a brand around it. That's a lot more harder. It requires a lot more work and a lot more smarts and research, right? So that means, hey, there's less competition in that aspect. That's the idea. Make sense?
Yep. Yep.